what causes consonance, what causes dissonance in sound. And I had to study cognitive neuroscience and understand why certain chords together creates dissonance in the mind and what causes consonance. So what started off as a hobby just became a really deep infatuation. Sense of visual. So let's talk about the physics of sound. Sound travels at 700 miles per hour. What causes sound? What is sound? Sound is a collision of air molecules. What causes sound? Sound is a very simple, basic physics phenomenon that propagates in nature. When there's an impact, the impact creates a level of clarity. Sensory, you notice when you get into art, you would find yourself, your ability to materialize reality, or your ability to manifest reality begins to increase exponentially.
Travel. So being able to write and compose music, understanding the physics of music is inevitable. It helps.
Expanding bubble. So we have the sound that propagates at 700 miles per hour. That's amplitude, frequency, that velocity. So you have like this expanding bubble that propagates in nature, intense.